Good luck, everybody. The Prizm Draft Early Bird 7411 dice roll 10 times. Teams first going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 here, 10 here. The Chargers up top, and the Patriots at the bottom. And let's go 10 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 here, 10 here. Chuck up top, Chuck at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Again, the Prizm Draft Early Bird 7411. Good luck, everybody. There's your squads. Let's rip it. Here we go. Prizm Draft Football. Empty box. 4 packs. Good luck. It's silver Wes Welker. Autograph of Maurice Luafau. Don't remember who he plays for, but I know he was drafted. Malik Neighbors, obviously going to the Giants. We got Sam Hartman, trophy hunting. Xavier Legette for Carolina. That is to 199. Jackson Dart for the NIL spots. Luke Lachey and Luther Burden. And if they do not have a professional team, they go to that NIL spots. Xavier Legette to 199. And if it is a pro player, no college uni, obviously they go to the team they played for the most. We got Snakeskin, everybody. Good luck on the Snakeskin. Bertie Kosar. Theo Johnson, silver rookie autograph of Jared Verse. He might win Defensive Rookie of the Year. That goes to the Rams. Kid's a beast. Jared Verse, red auto to 199. Rams. And Tyler Harper. Who else? Ed Reed. J.J. McCarthy, Prizm Break. Snakeskin of Dylan Raiola. That's a nice one. NIL spot. And Allison Terry. We'll put that in a one-touch. His cards sell well. People love the kid. Dylan Raiola on the Snakeskin rated prospect. That's a big card. Let me get a picture of that one real quick, actually. Let me get a picture. A little picture time. So I can hit up on the Instagram. And Dylan Raiola on the Snakeskin rated prospect. That is a sweet card. Got Jared Goff on the blue. Obviously going to Detroit to 199. Michael Pratt, Ali Gordon. Two packs left. Silver Rogers. Autograph of Kimani Vidal. Don't remember where he went either. Either the Chargers, maybe? I don't remember. Kimani Vidal on the auto. Roma Dunze. We got blue Jerjon Newton. Malik Neighbors. Trophy hunting. Blue Ice. That's a sick card. 54 out of 99 for the Giants. And Josh Merrill. on the Neighbors. You got J.J. McCarthy, little red wave, rookie from Minnesota, going to Mary McDonald on the McCarthy. Nate Wiggins, Baltimore, Bucky Irving, Tampa Bay. Trajan Newton is due $199 for Washington. Adunze for the Bears, or Rogers for the Jets. Last pack. Good luck. Silver, Nick Chubb for the Browns. Trevor Etienne, another one for that NIL spot. Silver auto of Trevor Etienne. Jesse Armstead, Kool-Aid, Ennis Rakestraw, ×2. Jaheim Bell, Patriots, Isaiah Bond, NIL. Ennis Rakestraws to $2.99. We'll do a quick recap here. We got Ennis Rakestraw, ×2. Trevor Etienne. Trajan Newton, J.J. McCarthy, Malik Neighbors, Kamani Vidal, Jared Goff, Jared Verse, Xavier Legette, Jackson Darts, Maurice Lufau, and Dylan Raiola on the Snakeskin Prospects. It's probably a pretty big card. That's the break, guys. Appreciate the film.